All right, and we are back. Logbo out 7 days, 2019 06 today. So, oh man, this is low key pretty hype. As you can see, Attack on Titan collab is finally live. I'm so fucking terrified right now. I don't know if I'm gonna wail out right away. People are saying that the good banners come out next week or the week after that. Oh, I'm stressed out. Alright, so as you can see here, bonus Eren Soul Shard 50 on step 5. Guaranteed Eren on step 3, that's excellent. Celebration free summon, I don't know. My bad guys, I'm like out of breath. I'm like all over the place in my room right now. Alright, where we going? I'm just gonna skip this, I don't really care that much. Light shards, I'll take that. I actually used all my light shards on... what was that bitch's face? I forgot. Enlightenment Limit Break Festival. Otherworld Indulgence. 75 featured 5-star. Is Eren the only featured, quote unquote? Okay, so like, it'll help you do him in general. 3-step. 5-step, 5 rates. Oh my god, I hate these people. y'all are dirty. At least one 4-star guaranteed featured summon. Wow. Dang, y'all didn't even refresh. Okay, y'all refresh this at least. Download. Please give me something new, man. Still no 5-star memento. Hopefully, well, we're getting a red. But I'm yes, Ramses, that's new. I actually desperately needed that. I'm hoping that the 5-star that we get is one of these mementos. Please, man. Looks like it might not be. Please. Okay, it looks like it wasn't meant to be. Fuck. I don't even care what 5-star this is. At least the Ramses memento is new. I can actually start working on that. Yeah, Ryle, you suck. Alright. Solar Bracelet, Belva Gauntlet. I don't care that much right now. Is Levi really like not even available? What? That's trash. I see why people are like not really caring that much. Yeah. Wow, the cuckery. Alright, we'll go to step 3. I don't know if I'm gonna bother with all 5 steps. Free. Yeah, I have enough to go like pretty far without actually spending. I thought I was gonna wail out on this banner. It looks like I'm not. Wow, dude. They have 10% rates too. Like, this is dirty. This is on some K-Lab shit. Boom. At least we're gonna at least we're guaranteed Eren here. Damn, they really did me dirty. Oh my god, wow, what a complete and total surprise. Damn. Yeah, and what's his face isn't even available. That's kind of doo-doo. Enlightenment, of the worlds. I mean, getting 2 dupes of Eren might not be a bad idea. Reinforced apple, I don't even know what that is. I'm guessing that's for like XP. I don't think I particularly care. Where are you at, boy? I don't know, especially with Black Masamune coming out soon. Like, obviously I want to use my shards on Eren, but I think I'm gonna chill for a bit. Enchanted job selector. And that's all like PvP shit. Dang, dude. I'm sorry guys, I'm so indecisive right now because I also don't want to burn my gems when the character I want most is Levi. We'll do this. Ooh, 2 4-stars. That's not bad at all. If we can get a Belva Gauntlet, that'd be cool. Sacred Code. I already have one of those out. Boom. Okay, that's new. Stellar Mage Head. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that one's about, but what? Okay, okay. All right, but I'm gonna leave it at that. Just a quick summoning video. I really thought I was gonna wail out, like. Oh, let me see. Yeah, you see, like, I literally like loaded up. I loaded up, but it looks like we're not even gonna be scratching that until like next week. I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on, catch me up, pick me up, stay blessed. I apologize for those that thought that Levi was gonna come out. I'm actually low key kind of tight. When y'all said whatchamacallit's not out yet, I thought y'all meant like we still got some time or something, but nah, this is dirty.